Welcome. Let yourself arrive fully in this quiet space. Find a position where your body can be completely supported. Let your hands rest open and at ease. Allow your eyes to close and your face to soften. Breathe in slowly, drawing warmth into your chest. And breathe out, letting the body grow heavy. Breathe in again, gentle and deep. And exhale, releasing the weight of the day. One more breath in, calm and full. And let it slowly go. Resting here. Imagine a warm golden light glowing just above you. It is soft and gentle, like sunlight on a quiet morning. This light carries healing, warmth, and deep rest. Resting here, feeling its glow. Let the golden light begin to flow into the top of your head. Feel it soothing your mind, smoothing away every busy thought. It moves down into your face, softening your jaw and your brow. Resting here. The warm light flows down through your neck and shoulders. Feel it melting any tension you have been carrying there. It spreads down your arms all the way to your fingertips. Every part it touches grows warm, soft, and restored. Resting here. Now the golden light gathers gently in your chest. Feel it warming your heart, easing anything heavy there. It flows into your stomach and your belly, calm and soothing. Let your whole middle soften under this healing glow. Resting here. The light moves slowly down through your hips and your back. Feel it releasing every knot, every ache, every holding. It flows down into your legs, warm and unhurried. Down through your knees, your calves, into your feet. Resting here, glowing from head to toe. Now your whole body is filled with this warm golden light. Every cell feels soothed, restored, and deeply at peace. Let the light hold you completely. Resting here. Let these words settle within you. I am healing with every breath. flow through my whole body. I release what no longer serves me. My body knows how to restore itself. I am whole and I am at peace. Resting here, let the golden light settle softly within you. Begin to feel the surface beneath your body again. Notice the gentle weight of your hands and your feet. Become aware of the room around you, quiet and safe. Take one slow breath in, drawing in this healed calm. And let it gently go. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this warmth and peace gently with you.